water bug bobbing up and down consistently at the same place produces concentric waves of water. Note the distance between all the wave crests is the same. Curious, the bobbing water bug goes on a journey. In doing so, it's catching up with earlier waves while also moving away from their opposite sides. So ahead of the bug, the distance between crests becomes shorter, which means the wave frequency is higher. Conversely, behind the bug, the distance between wave crests becomes longer, which means the wave frequency is lower. This change in wavelength and wave frequency due to motion is called the Doppler Effect. It works with any kind of wave, including sound waves, which is why the pitch of a siren sounds higher as it approaches you, but lower as it recedes. Good energy.